Hi, today we are in Kuscco Homes, Kitengela, exactly 3 kilometers from Kitengela town and exactly 1.5 kilometers from the tarmac. Behind me is an estate of 120 semi-detached 3-bedroom Maisonettes. The print area of each Maisonette is 190 square meters and the price is 10 million. This estate comes with a lot of amenities. We have a swimming pool, a kids play area. Each unit comes with solar water heaters and we have paved roads all over. On top of that, we have a community center, and next to it, you have the estate borehole. Let me show you the community center. This is the parking area of the community center, and below it, you have underground water tanks. In this community center, we have a mini supermarket, a beauty parlor, a gym, the management offices, and the swimming pool is behind it. From here, I want you guys to tighten your boots and wear your sunglasses, and let me take you on a tour of one of the units. The tour starts from here at the parking of the unit, and as you can see, it's a 2-car parking. Next to me, you have the employee quarters, and as you can see, it's big enough. This area is set aside for your washing machines. This is the front yard of the Maisonette, and it extends to the back of the unit. Let's get inside. This home has 2 levels, and these are the stairs that lead to the upper level. On my right hand side, you have the common washroom of this Maisonette, and on my left hand side, you have the kitchen of this Maisonette. This is the living room of this Maisonette, and as you can see, it's big enough to fit a family of 6 to 10 people. The living room comes with these 2 windows and a transparent door to allow maximum natural light. In front of me, you have the dining area of this home, and as you can see, this is way bigger than you need. This door leads to the backyard. Let me show you around. From here, it's very important to note that each unit is constructed on a 50 by 100 lot. That's why the backyard is this big. The backyard can be used as a kids play area or a rest area, and you also have your septic tanks here. Let's get back inside. Through the living room, let me show you the kitchen. From the entrance, you have this area that is set aside for your microwaves and other appliances. Next to me, you have an area that is set aside for your cooking stove. And as you can see, it's big enough to fit even a bigger burner. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and the space is perfect. The kitchen comes with dark granite countertops, and this is the sink area. The sink area is next to the window to allow maximum natural light while you are doing your dishes. This kitchen comes with an extra storage on this side. Next to me, you have an area that is set aside for your refrigerator, and as you can see, it's big enough for a double door. This door leads to the kitchen, garden, and the laundry area. Let's have a look. This is the kitchen garden, and right now we only have some trees. The laundry area is right there. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, I'll show you the common washroom and then we'll head upstairs. At the entrance of the common washroom, you have a wash basin. The common washroom utilizes the area under the stairs, and in here you have a water closet and a tissue holder. Let's get upstairs. On this level, you have the 3 bedrooms. Let's check them out. This is the first bedroom. Let's have a look. This room is big enough for your boys or your girls. The closet is massive. Just have a look. And it comes with a sectioned part here. On this other side, we have a massive window. Let me show you the second bedroom. The second bedroom is right here. This bedroom is exactly the same size as the one that I just showed you, but the rooms are big enough to accommodate a dresser. The closet of this bedroom is here. You have a sectioned part. You have massive storage here, an extra storage, and up here you have more storage. This bedroom is big enough to fit a 4x6 bed like this one or a 5x6 bed. From here, I'll show you the shared washroom, and later on I'll show you the primary bedroom. Before I show you the shared washroom, this is the water heater controller. Wow, this is a big washroom. At the entrance here, you have a wash basin. In here, you have a water closet and a tissue holder. And this is your shower cubicle. Let me show you the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is massive compared to the other two bedrooms. The room is big enough to fit a king-size bed like this one. And you'll have space for your side drawers. On this other side, you have his and hers closet or VV. This door leads to the washroom of this room. I'll show you that. Let's see the closet space. On this side, you have a space for your suits. On this other side, you have a section part, and up here, you have an extra storage. The other section is just similar to this one. Let's have a look at the master washroom. At the entrance here, you have a wash basin that comes with a mirror and a shaving light. On this side, you have your loo area, and as you can see, it comes with a water closet and a tissue holder. On this other side, you have the shower cubicle, and it's big enough. That's all for this bedroom. This is a beautiful estate, and that is the end of the tour. If you would like to purchase a unit, there are only 15 left. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.